In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect electronic drums to FL Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up any model of electronic drum kit that you have with FL Studio. It is simple to set up, and the only main requirement is that you establish a physical connection between your electronic drum module and your PC or laptop that is running FL Studio. So as you can see, for this particular example, I chose to use the Alesis Nitro Max. However, these general steps will apply for any other model of electronic drums. So all that you have to do is establish the physical connection using a cable. So for this particular model, they use USB. However, another extremely common connection type is going to be MIDI. So to keep it simple, just plug one end of the cable that you are going to use into the module for your electronic drum kit, and then the other one into your PC or laptop. There is no secret to this. If you have this particular model, like I mentioned, you will be using a USB-B cable to USB-A. If you are using MIDI, then you just establish a connection the same way. One end goes into the MIDI port on the module, and then the other one goes into your PC. And sometimes you might have to use a MIDI to USB converter or adapter. Simply establish the physical connection according to your manual for your electronic drum. Once the connection has been established, there is no secret. You might have to download drivers for your specific drums. However, most of them will automatically be detected and set up by Windows. So if you have a modern version of Windows, you don't have to worry about this. Now inside of FL Studio, go to the options, and whenever you choose the MIDI input/output devices, you will be able to see it listed here. So in this example, the Alesis Nitro, you can choose it from the list and make sure that it is active and being detected. Every time that you play it, you will be able to see the changes displayed here at this panel at the top of FL Studio. And I'm not going to go into too much detail about how to configure each individual node and setting about this electronic drum that you connected, but you will be able to find that information available anywhere. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect electronic drums to FL Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.